Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a transform with Tina video showing you guys how to get the glass skin makeup look using some of my current favorite products. Now, if you haven't heard of the glass skin trend, in a nutshell, it's a Korean makeup look that consists of dewy, glowy, luminous skin that can be achieved through skincare and makeup. This trend has been around for a while, but it has been made popular again by an Instagrammer and makeup artist, Ellie Choi. She uploaded a photo of her glowy skin on Instagram and it went viral. In the photo, you can see that her skin is really nice and clear, the texture is smooth, and it has a healthy luminous glow, almost like glass. Since then, a lot of YouTubers and Instagrammers have recreated this look, so today I'm going to show you my take on the glass skin trend. For this transform with Tina, I'm partnering up with Benefit. I'm actually one of their brand ambassadors for their Ride or Die campaign, which will be in Sephora stores all over Australia. I'm also really excited to announce that I'll be doing a meet and greet with Chloe Morello and Lauren Curtis at Highpoint Shopping Centre in Melbourne. So I will leave more details below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. Alrighty, let's start off with skincare. I normally don't show too much of my skincare when I do makeup tutorials, but with this look, skincare is super important. I've already washed my face. I'm going to move on to my next step, which is exfoliating my skin. I've been using the Nip+Fab Glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pads. I just grab one pad out and run it all over my skin. This will help to remove any dead skin cells and smooth out my skin. Next, I'm going to apply my serums. I've been using the Skin Inc Vitamin A serum mixed with hyaluronic acid. The vitamin A is great for uneven skin tone, dull skin and dark circles, whilst the hyaluronic acid replenishes and moisturizes the skin, which is super important for this glass skin look. You can see that I have like connect the dots happening here. I had like some pimples and they just lined up so well. Then I'm going to quickly apply my eye cream from Saturday Skin. This is the Brightening Eye Cream. With the eye cream, I just like to use my fingers and then I just like pat it on. Give myself a little massage whilst I'm at it. And the final step for skincare is moisturiser. I'm using the Cinch Face Cheetah, which is actually a moisturiser mixed with illuminator. And you can already see that it's like giving me that instant glow whilst moisturising. Now the key to this glass skin makeup look is you don't want to put like thick heavy foundation on. You want the skin to look quite natural, so just using something light coverage and spot concealing is best. So I'm going to be using the Glossier Skin Tint in medium and I'm mixing it with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. So with the Charlotte Tilbury filter, there's a big wand, so I'm just going to pop a bit of it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to mix a couple of drops of the Glossier Skin Tint, maybe about 5 drops. And I'm just going to quickly just dab it all over first and then blend it in with my beauty blender. Now if you don't have a light coverage foundation, you can always mix a bit of illuminator with your moisturizer and a bit of foundation just to turn it into a skin tint. Then I'm going to grab my beauty blender and just blend it all in. Now you can see that didn't really cover up much. You can see that my pimples are still peeking through and I've got some redness around my nostrils. And now this is where I'm going to go in with concealer and then I'm just going to spot conceal everything. I'm going to be using the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard. My favorite brush to use for spot concealing is this Sigma one. It's the Angled Pixel Concealer Brush, F69. It's perfect for just covering up small spots. Next, I'm going to use my YSL Touche Eclat Radiant Touch Pens. I've got 2 here with me, number 2 and 3. So number 3, I just apply under my eyes because it's more of a peachy color. And I just blend it out just to cover up any darkness. And then I go in with number 2 and then just brighten up underneath, like the bridge of my nose, my chin, a bit of my forehead. And again, just gonna blend it out. Now moving on to brows, I want to keep my brows fairly natural, so I'm going to go in with one of my favorite products. It's my Ride or Die Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. This pencil is great for beginners because it has a really unique shape. So on one side it has a pointed tip which you can use to sort of like define the tail of your brow and the smaller areas, and then it's got the wider end which you can just like quickly fill in your brows, giving you that natural look. Also on the other end it has a little spoolie which you can just blend out and diffuse your brows with that. I actually used this on my recent shoot with Benefit, and it was a super fun shoot with Chloe and Lauren. We did some group shots and individual shots. So I'm actually going to go in with the pointed tip first and just draw a line around here just to create the base of my brow. And I'm just using small strokes. And now if you're a beginner and you have trouble evening out your brows, this is where I would just move on to this brow and get this base right. So then I just look in the mirror and to see if these lines are even. And it's just so much easier getting it right from the beginning and then moving forward once you're happy with the base. Then I'm still using the tip of the pencil and I'm just going to mark in where I want my tail to end. I'm just going to extend it a little bit. And then now I'm going to use the wider end and just quickly fill in my brows. And when I'm working on the front of my brow, I lighten up the pressure so it's not as dark and it gives you that nice fade towards the tail. Then I'm going to use the other end, the spoolie end, and just brush through my brows just to blend that color through. Next I'm going to go in with the Benefit Gimme brow and just brush that along my hairs. This is going to hold my brows into place and add a little bit of color to them. So that's my eyebrows done. I'm going to move on to my eyes next. I'm going to keep my eye makeup really simple today. I'm just going to tightline my eyes with the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brewed. This is a dark brown liner and it's just going to help make my lash line look thicker and more defined. And I'm going to apply a pair of natural lashes. This is a new style called Kiss from my brand Petite Cosmetics. What makes it really natural is the invisible band. And I'm just going to pop it right on top of my natural lash line. This is what Kiss looks like on. The lash band is really thin, so if you're not wearing like eyeliner or thick eyeliner, you can just apply it straight on top of your natural lash line and it's going to look quite natural. For my inner corner highlight, I'll be using the By Terry Ombre Blackstar in number 3 Blonde Opal. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of that in the inner corners and just use my finger to just blend it out. For lips, I'm going in with the Glossier Lipstick. This is Zip. And I'm just going to blend it out with my fingers just to soften it up. It just makes it look more worn in and natural. Notice that I haven't done my cheeks yet. I'm actually going to use this lipstick for my cheeks and I'm just going to pop it on the back of my hand first. And I'm going to mix it with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Grab a brush and just mix the two together, and that's going to give me a nice luminous blush, like a cream blush. And then I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks really softly. So this is going to keep my cheeks luminous but also add a little bit of color to them. So that's pretty much it. This is how I create the glass skin makeup look on myself. I've kept the eyes, eyebrows and lips quite simple, and it's all about the luminous glowy glass skin. What do you guys think about this trend? Are you a fan of it? Are you not? Let me know below. Also, I want to thank Benefit for partnering up with me in this video. As you guys know, I've been using Benefit for a very long time. I've tried all of their brow products, their mascaras I'm in love with. So it's amazing to be able to be an ambassador for their Ride or Die campaign. If you guys are in Australia and happen to pass by Sephora, make sure you check it out. But yeah, that's it to this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That's it for now. I will speak to you guys next time. Bye!